I started using Hartmann about 10 years ago, and I guess you can call it love at first sight. Ever since we used it, our customers loved it, we loved it, the product works.
So this is 69 Adams, located in Dumbo, Brooklyn, New York. And it's a residential commercial building, and we have 27 floors, 230 apartments. So it's quite a lot of people to manage access to.
They needed a solution to help keep people out of amenities at certain times, certain people in the amenities, certain people outside the amenities, the front door and all that stuff. And that's where Hartmann came to play. We use Hartmann access controls here and in other buildings. It works flawlessly, everyone's happy with it. It's easy, I can explain it, simple, customer loves it, and it always works.
Access control to this building is very important because we want to keep a control and want to have safety to the building. We need to know who's coming in at what time, and we need to protect the people, and that's what Hartmann does.
There's so many mechanical rooms in different places of the building where we don't want tenants to possibly go in and either cause harm to the building or harm themselves, say the compactor rooms or the elevator access rooms where only staff is permitted. The system lets us control it in a very efficient way.
So this building has a lot of cool amenities. We have a theater room, we have a pet spa, we have a gym, we have a bunch of meeting rooms. The coolest rooftop in Brooklyn.
For tenant control access, we have different tiers for amenities packages. We are able to control who gets let into which rooms depending on their amenity status.
The Hartmann software is amazing, just like a regular web page. It's what customers like. You can program any file from anywhere you are in the world with just a link. It's an amazing software. We've had in the past other access control systems where routinely the panel boards would go dead or the user would have to log into the PC that it was installed on to program files. It just made everything more complicated, and Hartmann kind of stands out in that way where it's just a website, it's just a link that I send to my customers. I never have any issues with the hardware. It's 10 years, I've not had any issues with the hardware. It just works and works.
My experience working with the Hartmann system has been very easy to use, very user-friendly. In the office, we have no problems.
For us as management, it's very important that it is this way, just because we want to have a smooth operation at all times.
Anytime that we have any issues with the system, we call customer service. They're just a phone call away. They're impeccable. They deal with the issues within a couple of minutes. Everything's up, back and running.
625 Fulton is a 1,098 unit building in downtown Brooklyn. We are completing construction right now with the first tenants moving in. One unique challenge we had over here during construction: who's going into the building, who's going out the building, how many people are in the building at any moment and who's not, and what times the people can come in and out. We use Hartmann controls for the turnstile. That's during the construction phase to give access to construction workers what time they're allowed in, what time they're allowed out, and also to do a daily report of who was in the building and who is out of the building. Transitioning from that to a finished building, we are still using Hartmann for this finished building. We're able to control all the amenities over here. We have a bowling alley, we have a sauna, we have a gym, we have lounges, and we want to control who goes in, who goes out. It's not the delivery guy coming to deliver pizza. He's not able to get into a bowling alley.
I definitely recommend Hartmann controls because, again, everything is at your fingertips. Anytime you want to access, see anything remotely, it's there at a click of a button on your laptop, on your phone. Very accessible, very easy to use.
So I would definitely recommend Hartmann controls just because I have worked in different buildings before, and access, it was always extremely difficult for us as maintenance and management, and also for tenants. And now that I'm working in this building with this system, it's just super easy. It's great.
I definitely would recommend Hartmann controls. I would recommend them for, number one, their hardware and software is amazing, but above everything, their customer support is top notch. You could call them at any time, they will pick up, and they will, even if it's a unique situation, they will figure out a way to make it work for you and your customer.